Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast.
Welcome back. Today we will practice English for work.
Yes, and today's topic is, don't say this at work in English.
Oh, I like this topic. I think I make many mistakes at work.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Today we will fix them together.
Great. I want to sound more natural and polite at work.
Exactly. In the office, English is not only about grammar.
It is also about being clear and polite.
Yes, so today we will look at common mistakes, why they can sound wrong, and what to say instead.
Sounds useful. Let's start.
Mistake number 1.
I late.
This is not correct.
Why is it wrong?
Because in English, we need a verb. This sentence is missing M. If you say I late, people understand you, but it sounds incomplete.
Oh, I see. So what should I say?
You should say, I am late.
I am late.
Good. At work, you can also say, I am running late.
I am running late.
That sounds more natural.
So if I am late to a meeting, I can say, I am running late.
Exactly. Let's practice.
I am late.
I am running late.
Sorry, I am running late.
Perfect. Mistake number 2.
Help me.
This sentence is not grammatically wrong, but it can sound rude at work.
Really? Why?
Because it sounds like a command. At work, we usually ask for help politely.
So I should not sound like I am ordering someone.
Exactly. Instead of help me, say, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Better, and more polite, could you help me please?
Could you help me, please?
That sounds polite and professional.
Let's try it in a work situation.
Sure.
Could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I don't understand this task.
No problem. I can explain it. Mistake number 3.
I follow you.
And be careful with this sentence.
Why? I want to say I understand.
That is the problem. In English, I follow you can sometimes mean I understand you. But for beginners, it can also sound like you are physically walking behind someone.
Oh no, that sounds strange at work.
Yes, to be safe and clear, say, I understand.
I understand.
You can also say I see.
I see.
Both are simple and natural.
So if my manager explains something, I can say, I understand.
Yes, or I see. Thank you.
I see. Thank you.
Great. Mistake number 4.
Give me the file.
This is too direct.
Is it rude?
It can sound rude, especially in a work email or office chat. It sounds like an order.
Oh, I see. What should I say?
Say, can you send me the file?
Can you send me the file?
More polite, could you send me the file, please?
Could you send me the file, please?
Excellent. That sounds professional.
Let's make a short office chat.
Okay.
Could you send me the file, please?
Sure. I will send it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mistake number 5.
I no understand.
This is a common beginner mistake.
Why is it wrong?
Because in English, we do not usually say I no understand. We need do not or don't.
So I should say, I don't understand.
Correct. Say, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
At work, you can also say, sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry, I don't understand.
And if you want someone to repeat, say, could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Good. Let's try a real situation.
Okay.
Please update the report and send it before lunch.
Sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. Please update the report before lunch.
I understand now. Thank you.
Mistake number 6.
I very busy.
This sentence is missing M.
So it is like I late?
Yes, similar problem. In English, say, I am very busy.
I am very busy.
Good, but at work, be careful.
Why?
If you only say I am very busy, it may sound like you do not want to help.
Oh, so it can sound a little negative.
Yes, a better sentence is, I am very busy right now, but I can help later.
I am very busy right now, but I can help later.
That sounds polite and helpful.
Let's practice. I am very busy right now.
But I can help later.
I am very busy right now, but I can help later.
Perfect. Mistake number 7.
I want meeting.
This is not natural.
Why?
because meeting is a noun and we usually say a meeting. Also, at work, I want meetings sounds too direct and incomplete.
So what should I say?
Say, I would like to have a meeting.
I would like to have a meeting.
Or simpler, can we have a meeting?
Can we have a meeting?
Good. You can also say, can we have a quick meeting?
Can we have a quick meeting? So if I want to discuss something, I can say, can we have a quick meeting?
Exactly. Mistake number 8.
You send me email?
This sounds like a direct translation.
Is it wrong?
People may understand, but it does not sound natural. For a question, we usually use can or could.
So I should say, can you send me an email?
Yes. Say, can you send me an email?
Can you send me an email?
More polite, could you send me an email, please?
Could you send me an email, please?
Nice. And remember, we say an email.
An email.
Mistake number 9.
I will discuss about this.
This is very common.
What is wrong?
In English, we usually say discuss this, not discuss about this.
Oh, so know about after discuss.
Correct. Say, I will discuss this with the team.
I will discuss this with the team.
Good. You can also say, let's discuss this later.
Let's discuss this later.
That sounds natural.
Can I say, I will talk about this with the team?
Yes, talk about this is okay.
So discuss this, but talk about this.
Exactly. Great observation. Mistake number 10.
I am agree.
This is a very common mistake.
Why is it wrong?
Because agree is already a verb. We do not need him before it.
So I should say, I agree.
Correct. Say, I agree.
I agree.
At work, you can also say, I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Or, I agree with this idea.
I agree with this idea. So not I'm agree.
Right. Just say, I agree. Mistake number 11.
I am boring.
Be careful. This sentence has a different meaning.
Really? I want to say I feel bored.
If you say, I am boring, it means you are not interesting.
Oh no, that is not what I mean.
Exactly. If you feel bored, say, I am bored.
I am bored.
But at work, be careful with this sentence too.
Why?
Saying I am bored at work can sound negative. A better sentence is, I need a new task.
I need a new task.
Or do you have another task for me?
Do you have another task for me?
Mistake number 12.
I am confusing.
This is similar to boring and bored.
What does I am confusing mean?
It means you make other people confused.
Oh, but I want to say I don't understand.
Then say, I am confused.
I am confused.
At work, a more professional sentence is, I am a little confused about this task.
I am a little confused about this task.
Good. Then you can ask, could you explain it again?
Could you explain it again? Let's make a short dialogue.
Okay.
I am a little confused about this task.
No problem. I can explain it again.
Thank you. That helps.
Mistake number 13.
I have a problem with my work.
This sentence is correct, but sometimes it sounds too serious.
Too serious? Why?
Because problem can sound big or negative. At work, you can often say issue instead.
Issue?
Yes, you can say, I have an issue with this task.
I have an issue with this task.
Or, I have a small issue with the report.
I have a small issue with the report.
That sounds more professional. Mistake number 14.
You must finish this now.
This can sound very strong.
Is it rude?
It depends. But in many work situations, it can sound too bossy.
So what should I say?
You can say, could you finish this today?
Could you finish this today?
Or, can you finish this by today?
Can you finish this by today?
Good. This sounds more polite and professional.
So instead of giving a strong order, I should ask politely.
Exactly. Mistake number 15.
I don't like this idea.
This is correct English, but it can sound too direct in a meeting.
Oh, so it may sound negative?
Yes. At work, it is better to be softer.
What should I say?
You can say, I am not sure about this idea.
I am not sure about this idea.
Or, I have a different idea.
I have a different idea.
That sounds respectful.
Let's practice a meeting situation.
Sure. What do you think about this plan?
I am not sure about this idea.
Okay. Do you have another idea?
Yes, I have a different idea.
Great, please share it. Mistake number 16.
Explain me this.
This is a common mistake.
Why is it wrong?
In English, we usually say explain this to me.
Explain this to me.
Yes, but at work, make it polite.
How?
Say, could you explain this to me, please?
Could you explain this to me, please?
Good. Or simpler, can you explain this?
Can you explain this?
Mistake number 17.
I will back to you.
This is understandable but not correct.
What is missing?
We need the verb get. Say, I will get back to you.
I will get back to you.
This means you will reply later.
Oh, that is useful for work email.
Very useful. You can say, I will get back to you soon.
I will get back to you soon.
Or I will get back to you tomorrow.
I will get back to you tomorrow.
Mistake number 18.
Please reply me.
This is another common mistake.
Why?
In English, we usually say reply to me.
Reply to me.
But in work email, please reply to me can still sound a little direct.
What is better?
You can say, please let me know.
Please let me know.
Or, please let me know your thoughts.
Please let me know your thoughts.
That sounds natural and professional. Now let's review the mistakes quickly.
Great. Review helps me remember.
Don't say, I late.
Say, I am late. Or, I am running late.
Don't say, help me.
Say, can you help me? Or, could you help me please?
Don't say, I follow you.
Say, I understand. Or, I see.
Don't say, give me the file.
Say, could you send me the file please?
Don't say, I no understand.
Say, I don't understand.
Don't say, I am agree.
Say, I agree.
Don't say, I am confusing.
Say, I am confused.
Don't say, explain me this.
Say, could you explain this to me please?
Now let's use many of these phrases in one office conversation.
Okay, I am ready.
Good morning. You are a little late today.
Yes, I am running late. Sorry.
No problem. Please check the report.
Sure, but I am a little confused about this task.
Okay, what part is confusing?
Could you explain this to me please?
Of course. This part is about yesterday's sales.
I understand now. Thank you.
Great. Could you finish this by today?
Yes, I can. Could you send me the file, please?
Sure. I will send it now.
Thank you. I will get back to you soon.
Sounds good.
That conversation feels very real.
Yes, these are simple phrases, but they are very useful at work.
I also like that we learned polite versions.
Polite English is very important in the workplace.
Because we do not want to sound rude.
Exactly. Sometimes your grammar is okay, but your tone is too direct.
So we need to choose better phrases.
Yes, small changes can make your English sound much better. Let's do final repeat practice.
Okay, repeat after us.
I am running late.
I am running late.
Could you help me please?
Could you help me please?
I understand.
I understand.
Could you send me the file please?
Could you send me the file please?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that please?
Could you repeat that please?
I agree.
I agree.
I am confused.
I am confused.
I will get back to you.
I will get back to you.
Please let me know your thoughts.
Please let me know your thoughts.
Great job today.
Yes. I learned many useful work phrases.
Now you know what not to say at work in English.
And now I know better ways to say them.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
You just need clear, polite, and simple English.
Practice a little every day, and your English will improve.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.